Hey guys, welcome to Mill Pond Addiction. This is a nice little short walk of a park, and we're going to walk this park today and see what they have here, guys. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday still. This is the second video I've made. If you haven't seen the first video, check it out. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So let's let the trail begin. As always, nature smells very well. Got butterflies. All right, guys, you can kind of see the environment already. What do you think? You think Bigfoot hangs out at a place like this? Well, I see the magic yellow school bus that he rides around from state to state in today. Could he be here? Or maybe he's somewhere else? You'll never know till you see that yellow bus. How you doing, guys? What's going on here today? This definitely does look like Alligator City over here, I'll tell you that. Lots of swampy water, so I definitely don't want to run through that or walk through it. Yeah. Lots of wetland. Definitely coyote territory, and gators and turtles. There's crabs here too, guys. Actually, I see the crabs. Oh, cool. They have crabs everywhere. Look at this. These are crabs, guys. They're going to run off. They're going to run off in their barrels. I thought I seen little arms moving, and they pretty much ran off. But there are crabs out here. You know, as soon as they see you walk up, they just take off. Let's see if I can stand still for a couple seconds and see what emerges. But usually when they go down, they're gone. Nothing. I may be running into some more, being this close that I am to the water. But I can see little arms moving right now. Look at that, guys. If you look real close, you can see there's crabs right there. The little arms are moving back and forth. And they just went back down pretty fast. Right there. He just went down. That's pretty cool. You would never thought that Florida had so many crabs that just out here, you know, just hanging out. But they aren't. And they're all type of different crabs. So if you come out here, guys, bring your butter. You might just be boiling some crab tonight. Look at these guys. There's one by the tree, has one arm. Could that be one arm Willie? One arm Willie the crab? Those things do not play. The minute you walk up, folks, they just take off with one huge arm. Look at these guys. They just take off. Okay, guys, let's move on. Hopefully I'll see something bigger. They won't be able to run that fast. Those things just, they take off. They need to call them crabs takeoff. The shade is amazing back here. Like I said, folks, this is not a long trail. That's why I did 2 videos today, because they both came up on the list, and they actually were both short nature parks in residential areas. So you got to get them all, folks. You never know who wants to go, you know, somewhere. And I'm getting better with my videos a little bit. You know, I wasn't putting the addresses in, you know, and the link at the bottom. So now you can go to descriptions and look for the addresses to some of the places. You know, eventually I'm going to try to go back and put addresses in some of these nature park walks that I've done, and so many. But they're all in Florida, and pretty much the name will pop up if someone actually looks for it in Florida. Especially if you put Fort Lauderdale or Miami area. But yeah, every video I'm going to start putting that in. Work with me, guys. Work with me. You know, I don't really do editing, none of that. I give you straight shot, no chaser. You know, as you see my videos, if you've been watching them, you never know what you're going to run into. You never know what you're going to run into. Some of you probably remember the video where I had that was the only video I think I kind of edited and stopped it a little right after that, where I was walking on a trail and ran into 2 people having sex, guys. Like I said, I guess the woods has a little bit more than therapeutic nature walks going on. People come out here to do other things. So yeah. Wow, these little crabs are everywhere. They just take off in the water. Well, that water has a current moving. It must be moving towards a bigger lake. This is nice, guys. Beautiful skies today. Look at that. No rain today, guys. No rain. We've been having rain almost every day since last Monday. Thunderstorms. I mean, hey, it's good for everything. It's good for nature. Actually, it's good for me. You know, beautiful flowers grow. Leaves grow back on trees. The place gets wet and muddy. Life begins. Animals start coming out. That's what you want. It looks like they have a nature trail walk, but that thing looks like it's terrible. That's definitely closed off. Look at that over there. That's definitely closed off. That looked like that hasn't been taken care of in a decade. So you don't want to walk that. You want to stay on the walk trail. That's definitely closed off. Usually I attempt to make walk moves, but there's no getting around that, folks. You got trees that actually fell over the walkways. Look at that. Half of it is down on one side. Yeah, you walk that one, that might be your last walk. Falling that stuff, you never know what's coming at you. So, and like they said, this was a very short trail. This pretty much ends it, folks, because of the bridge that they tore down, or let go down, the walkway, you know, that pretty much ends everything. But look at these crabs. Look at them. They just hang out. Look at them. See how they're just hanging out? They're small ones, but they do get big. These are all baby crabs that's out today. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Well, I'm gonna walk in this little park. I don't know what this is, but hey, let's do it anyway. You never know what nobody got going on back here. Oh, bigger crabs, guys. I knew it was some back here. I should have slowed down. I just seen a huge red crab. I don't even know if I caught that on camera. He was huge. Oh yeah, they are back here. They are back here moving around. Wow, that's probably the biggest ones I've ever seen. Oh my God. You know what? Iguanas are so crazy. They just fall out trees and jump in the water. Nuts. They're that scary, folks. They'll just jump out of a tree and fall directly in the water. Who does that? But did you know they can hold their breath underwater? I could be wrong a little bit with the numbers, but for about 15 minutes or 30 minutes, they actually can hold their breath underwater. Yeah. All right, folks, I'm walking through here. This really is not a trail, but wild man's going to go through it anyway. At least to the point where he can't take it no more, because this looks like it ends anyway. Yeah. This looks like it pretty much ends. Let's see if I can walk this way. Gotta watch out for gators though, folks. This is I'm pretty much in the mix right here. Pretty much in the mix. Gotta watch my surroundings. You know, those suckers, they can hide pretty good. This brush gets a little wilder, but hey, trying to make it. This is pretty much wild. Pretty much wildland, folks. Let's see if I can get through here. Yeah. Got through that. Let's see how far I can go before I have to turn around and come out. This is why I wear my boots. I definitely can smell coyote back here. They have a den somewhere in here. Oh, folks, I just missed a bird. Just flew over my head. Man. This is very wet ground. Very wet ground. Guys, somebody has made a clubhouse slash tent. I don't know what the hell you want to call this, but somebody actually has been sleeping back here. Look at this. Look at this. This has to be somewhere a homeless person has slept. He has firewood, water bottles. I don't know. I don't think a kid would come back here and make this. Look at this. You see what you can stumble into when you're out here messing around? This is crazy. You know, right next to little gators. He has a mosquito net and wow. Wow. Who is living in that? I call myself Nature Man? No, this is the real Nature Man, whoever this is. That looks like I really have nowhere else to go that way. Let's take a look in here again before I walk out. This guy has created some things. Look at this. He has some type of contraption he's made. I don't know what that is. He has a wooden hammer, folks. I hope this is not Bigfoot's den. Look at that wooden hammer. Somebody is very creative who's living back here. That is a wooden mallet hammer. That is firewood. I don't know how long this has been back here, but whoever's back here, they don't, you know what, folks? It's time for me to get out of here. Because whatever does live there, I don't think it's human the way that ground look. And he might be out getting crab for dinner, and I might stumble into him. So I'm going to get the hell up out of here and go back where I came from. Wow. See, you know, I just told you guys, you never know what you're going to see when you're with me, because I go all out. I go all out, folks. I ain't scared to go nowhere. I go through wooded areas, all that. So this is what you're going to see. This is wild. Wow. Whoever thought somebody would be living back there like that? Folks, I think that was Bigfoot's house. I don't care what anybody says. What do you think? Leave a comment. Somebody leave a comment and let me know. Do you think little Bigfoot is living there? Big Bigfoot? Or one of his relatives? Because that is weird. Very weird. Yeah, folks, we're out of there. Back on the trail. And with that being said, folks, Bigfoot will not get me today. I can see why that walkway bridge over there is torn all up, because Bigfoot has torn that up so people can't come across to see his little house back there. Second week I've seen something crazy. First it was Bigfoot's yellow bus. Now I have found one of his camp spots. Folks, nobody's human sleeping like that back there. You seen how that looked. Swampy water, leaves on the ground, even the tools that were made. That was wild. It's been one, folks. All right, folks, I am about to end this video. As always, nature is therapeutic. This is crazy. I cannot get that off my mind. But I will see you guys next time. Remember, nature is therapeutic. I'm out of here.